Severe thunderstorms, tornadoes and extreme heat are affecting large parts of the United States. The Midwest, including Iowa and Wisconsin, are just some of the areas with increased health risks and mounting pressure on infrastructure. Well, I'm joined now by Louise Lear from BBC Weather Centre. Louise, good to see you. It's been quite a stormy time in the US. So what exactly is the latest on this?
Plenty of weather to talk about at the moment. I mean, it's a little bit earlier perhaps than it normally happens. The tornado season tends to be around May to June, but we've been seeing some very extreme heat across the far southeast. And when we get this colder air pushing out of the Rockies, the dividing line between the two can spark the thunderstorm. So let's take a look at just what's been happening. You can see this series of frontal systems at the moment. We've been having some sharp thunderstorms stretching all the way from North Texas right up through Kansas, Mississippi, Ohio Valley over to the Great Lakes. So really some significant rainfall here. We're talking about large hail, 3.5 inches in diameter, and some tornadic activity and very heavy rain. And what's happening on top of that, and that risk is still going to continue for the next couple of days, is we've got some extreme heat as well across that east coast.
Yeah, I mean, you know, are we talking about record-breaking heat? What are we talking about here? It does look very hot according to that map.
We are talking about record-breaking heat.
Wow.
It's the earliest 90 degrees across parts of Washington, across many of those major cities across the far south and east. And if we take a look at exactly what's happening, that frontal system is actually squeezing the extreme heat down to the southeast. And you can see that darker russet, that's where we're likely to see temperatures in excess of 90 degrees. Now, 3 days of 90 degrees is heatwave conditions. Very unusual now to be seeing those kind of temperatures at this time of year. So very, very early on, and that is going to continue actually over the next few days. So we are going to see extreme heat continuing. It has been a miserable winter. I'm sure that's a bit of a shock to the system, but it will get a little bit cooler.
It's only April,
over the next
isn't
few
it,
days.
Louise?
Yeah.
To see temperatures like that is very unusual.
That's the kind of story that they would be seeing in May. We're going to see temperatures probably going down to around 80s in Washington, but still excessive heat for this time of year, and concerning because, of course, that's another sign that climate change is having an impact across the globe.
Okay, well, Louise, good to see you. Thank you very much indeed.